Good morning, everybody. So it is early Saturday morning. Yesterday and today we've had some pretty insane wind. So my great aunt actually had two gigantic trees fall in her driveway. So a group of us is gonna go up there and work on that. And then I'm gonna come here and play pickup because where we have a lot of temporary things and movable things, the wind moved them. So we're gonna get started.
Another new one.
Okay, so we are headed up to Mom and Dad's house, but even just along the way, I'll show you the wind damage. We got a big pine down there. And then up here, I guess there's no traffic. There's two huge pine trees uprooted. So it was pretty gnarly the last couple of days, so. Alright, so it's a little while later. We are back home. I had planned on cleaning today, but I've got one sick, so we'll see how he's doing here in a little bit. I may go outside and work for a touch, but maybe an inside work day. Alright, since it is still very windy outside, I'm gonna enjoy some soup and I'm gonna sit down and do some garden planning. So, that'll be fun. I love soup on a cold day. My lips are so chapped after all that wind. It is so windy. We were like on top of a mountain cutting all that up, and so the gusts of wind were just kind of crazy. I was thinking today, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything semi-permanent or like movable after this year, because the wind has been so bad this year. I can only think of like a couple of times that we've had wind this bad, but not this many times. I don't know if it's like a fluke thing or if it's gonna become our normal. But I'm like, I don't know that I want to deal with this much flying stuff. All right, so I have settled on that I am not going to be heading back outside because the wind is still just like gnarly, and I'm gonna be fighting wind, so I'm not even not even gonna bother. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on heating up the fires and give my skin a break from the wind. And actually, I'm gonna do some garden planting, so that'll be just kind of a break while my little guy in there's resting. And so thank you guys for joining me on this video as we tackled the weather. Not really, we just tackled its damage. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.